World hunger has been one of the biggest challenges humanity has faced for centuries. Despite technological advancements, millions still go to bed hungry every night. But what if artificial intelligence could change that? Could AI be the key to ending world hunger once and for all? Today, we're diving deep into this question, and the results might just shock you. The current state of world hunger, according to the United Nations, over 700 million people suffer from hunger worldwide. Climate change, war, economic instability, and inefficient food distribution systems all contribute to this crisis. But here's the thing: we produce more than enough food to feed everyone on the planet. The problem isn't scarcity, it's distribution, waste, and accessibility. This is where AI comes in. With its ability to analyze massive amounts of data, predict outcomes, and optimize systems, AI is already being used in ways that could completely transform the way we approach food production and distribution. AI in agriculture. Feeding more people with less. One of the biggest ways AI is tackling world hunger is through agriculture. Farmers around the world are already using AI-powered drones, smart sensors, and predictive analytics to increase food production.
For example,
1. AI-driven precision farming helps farmers decide exactly when to plant, water, and harvest crops based on real-time weather and soil data. 2. Automated drones can monitor plant health, identify diseases before they spread, and even spray fertilizers and pesticides with pinpoint accuracy. 3. AI-powered robots are replacing manual labor, making harvesting more efficient and reducing food waste at the farm level.
the result:
higher crop yields, less waste, and more food for those who need it most. Fighting food waste with AI. One of the most shocking facts about world hunger is that we waste over 1/3 of the food we produce. That's about 1.3 billion tons of food wasted every year. AI is helping to combat this in several ways. 1. AI-powered food tracking systems help supermarkets and restaurants predict demand more accurately, reducing overproduction and waste. 2. Machine learning algorithms identify food that is still edible but often discarded due to imperfections, helping redirect it to food banks and charities. 3. Smart apps like Too Good To Go use AI to connect consumers with surplus food at discounted prices, preventing it from being thrown away. If AI can help us recover even a fraction of this wasted food, we could dramatically reduce world hunger. AI in food distribution. Getting food to the right places. Even when food is available, it doesn't always reach those who need it. AI is revolutionizing food distribution by optimizing supply chains and predicting where food shortages will occur.
For example,
1. AI-driven logistics platforms analyze real-time data to find the fastest and most cost-effective ways to transport food. 2. Blockchain technology combined with AI is making food supply chains more transparent, ensuring that aid and donations actually reach their intended recipients. 3. Predictive analytics can anticipate food crises before they happen, allowing governments and humanitarian organizations to take action in advance. One stunning example is Google's DeepMind, which developed an AI system that predicts food shortages months before they happen based on climate patterns, economic trends, and satellite imagery. This allows aid organizations to prepare in advance rather than reacting after a crisis has already begun. Iron lab-grown food, a game changer. AI is not just optimizing traditional food production, it's also helping us create new food sources. 1. Lab-grown meat is becoming more affordable thanks to AI-driven research that accelerates production and improves efficiency. 2. AI-designed plant-based proteins are getting closer to mimicking the taste and texture of real meat, providing a sustainable alternative to animal farming. 3. Vertical farming powered by AI allows food to be grown indoors with minimal space, water, and pesticides, making fresh produce available in urban areas where food deserts exist. These innovations could revolutionize food access, making nutritious food available to more people than ever before. The ethical debate: can AI really end hunger? Despite its potential, AI isn't a magic solution. Some experts warn that AI-driven food production and distribution could increase inequality if controlled by corporations rather than being used for humanitarian purposes. There are also concerns about job displacement, as AI-powered automation could replace traditional farming jobs in certain regions. However, if implemented correctly, AI could create new opportunities, helping small farmers improve their yields and income rather than putting them out of business. The final verdict: can AI solve world hunger? The answer is yes, but only if we use it correctly. AI has the potential to dramatically reduce hunger by increasing food production, reducing waste, and improving distribution. However, technology alone isn't enough. We need proper policies, ethical implementation, and global cooperation to ensure AI benefits everyone, not just the wealthy. The good news: AI is already making a difference. From precision farming to smarter food distribution, AI-driven solutions are proving that world hunger isn't an unsolvable problem. It's just a challenge waiting for the right tools and strategies. The real question is, will we use AI to its full potential, or will we let it become just another tool controlled by a few powerful organizations? That's up to us.